Home Espresso Simplified. This Gaggia Carezza makes it easier than ever to prepare crema-rich espresso with ease. The innovative Crema Perfetta Portafilter has a double-walled design and can be used to brew ESE pods or ground espresso. The Pannarello steam wand or turbo frother makes perfect milk foam for cappuccinos effortlessly. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Retro Style. A classic, pristine-looking machine to match your espresso. Number 2. Crema Perfetta Portafilter. Unique portafilter is designed to brew when the pressure reaches the industry standard brew pressure of 9 bar. Makes it easy to get a thick crema on any coffee. Number 3. Double Basket. Holds 18 grams of ground coffee in comparison to 12 grams for a richer, fuller drink. Number 4. Pre-infusion. Soaks grounds evenly before brewing for full-bodied extraction. Number 5. Heating time. Gaggia Carezza is at brewing temperatures in approximately 1 minute. Number 6. Cup warmer. A heated metallic plate on top of the Carezza keeps your cups warm, which keeps your coffee nice and hot for a longer time. Number 7. Auto shut-off. In just 9 minutes, the Gaggia Carezza will go into an idle mode to save energy, but will heat up again quickly with the push of a button. Number 8. Pannarello Wand. An auto-frothing Pannarello Wand attachment makes lattes and cappuccinos nice and velvety, and can be removed for more manual control and creamy microfoam for latte art. Number 9. Frothing for milk beverages. Pannarello Wand frothing for cappuccinos and lattes. Wand doubles as a hot water dispenser for Americanos and tea. Number 10. Brewing features pressurized portafilter brews both ground coffee and ESE pods. Pre-infusion function pre-wets grounds before brewing for rich, even extraction. Number 11. Front-loaded water reservoir. Features a 47 ounces capacity and pulls out from the front of the machine. The water level is visible, and the reservoir is compatible with the Mavia Intesa water filter system. Number 12. 1-year warranty. Hassle-free 1-year warranty handled by Gaggia directly. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.